If you've been looking into William and Kimberly jewelry for 2026, here's a quick, honest review based on what customers are actually saying. So first off, when people talk about William and Kimberly jewelry, they're usually referring to trusted local jewelers like William Jewelers or shops such as Kimberly's Jewelry in places like Palmdale. And the big theme here is simple. In-person service really stands out. A lot of buyers mention strong experiences with custom engagement rings, saying you get more control over design and often better craftsmanship compared to mass-produced online pieces. Repairs and resizing also tend to be quick and fairly priced, which is a big plus if you want ongoing support. On the quality side, many of these independent jewelers follow ethical sourcing standards like the Kimberly process, which is reassuring for diamond buyers. But here's the caution. Online listings can be hit or miss. If it's not a verified store, you could run into delays or return issues. Overall, I'd say great for custom, local, hands-on buying, but be careful shopping blindly online.